Hello everybody, this time I'll present you this cheap copy of Shirogorov Hati knife. This copy came from the Bear Claw company, which is very good. This is low version. They have, I think, high version copies which are titanium and everything, but this is the low version copy with D2 steel. It's a D2, but you know, I'm not sure it's D2, but it's very sharp out of the box. Very centered blade, exceptional flipping, only for $20. It's $19.90, which is $20. So this knife, I didn't have much expectations about it, but it's pretty nice. It's, I mean, it's light, relatively light. My expensive Hati copy, which is no longer in sale in AliExpress, it's almost the same because it's a Hati copy, but this is probably a little bit lighter because it's carbon fiber and titanium. Very nice titanium, but whatever, it's not about this, it's about the cheap copy. Is it worth it? Completely worth it in my opinion. Very nice to flip, very nice. It flips like at least $50 knife, maybe more. Yeah, this thing here, the G10, thing is very cool, very nice on touch. Also the steel here, I think it's steel, it's not titanium of course. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not very heavy. Let's see how much it weighs. Let's see it. All right. It's 150 grams, exactly like they say in the description. Let's see the expensive copy. Yeah, it's 20 grams less. So 20 grams because titanium, carbon fiber in the expensive copy. Okay, I'll tell another thing. This knife, which is the copy of Asymmetric, is my favorite knife when I go... oh, it started to rust a little bit here. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, because I use this knife a lot. This is my maybe most used knife. When I go to vacation, on Greece or whatever, I bring always this knife because it's cheap, it's reliable, it's sharp, and it's with very big blade, so I can cut bread for breakfast and everything. And it's pretty light also. Let's see how much it weighs. 146 grams. But let's compare them both, because you know, this is both budget knives. They're almost the same price, I think the same price. And one is bigger, of course. The Asymmetric clone is far bigger. The flipping action now on this Asymmetric, this particular knife, because I have maybe 2 or 3 of them, and I ordered about 6, but I gift some as a gift to friends. So yeah, so this knife, bigger. This knife, I think is very beautiful, very pretty. This is bigger and lighter, but this is very pretty, and I think also very elegant. I mean, this looks a little more like a beast, and this looks like a gentleman in a tuxedo, for example. Very nice looking, looks far more expensive than it is, which is very good. The one thing that looks a little bit cheap is the pocket clip, which is completely made of some kind of tin. I'm not sure. It's not very good, and yeah, but whatever. It works. Yeah, I wear this knife this couple of days when I get it, and it works. So it's cool. But yeah, so. You can choose one of these, but I recommend both because they're cheap. You can afford it, it's no problem. It's $20 for this, $20 for this. You can buy them both, compare them and everything. So yeah, this is about this knife. What can I say? It's 20 centimeters, I think, in length. When it's open, 20 centimeters. Very nice here. Only 2 screws. Only 2, which is very cool. And yeah, this is G10 also, I think, and G10 here. I don't know how they make this quality knife, because it has chamfers, it has everything for this low price. See this thing here, how pronounced it is, very cool. Like in the more expensive versions, it's almost the same. It's never the same. I mean, in other less expensive knives, I see here like very not so sharp edges and everything. And this looks nice. Also, chamfers here for easier flipping action. So yeah, and it's very comfortable, very sharp out of the box. So probably it could be sharpened. And also, I find it very important to be for the knife to be centered between the liners, and this knife is. So very good. This is very good. So amazing. I very much like this knife, and I will order maybe a few more. Yeah, I ordered already one, and maybe more after that. And this is also my recommendation, but you know, there's a video about this knife, everything. This is about this knife. Very good flipping action, just amazing. Very nice. And for this money, this is very good choice, in my opinion. If you like Shirogorov designs, this is amazing. Thank you, and goodbye for now.